it's a really tricky thing to do at first, but once you get this idea, there's no going back. And I'm gonna show you a bit of an example. I'm not even
Mom, that's the F word. You can't just say that.
It's fine.
Jeez.
No, wait. It's like
Now, Jameson, what are you doing? Get down. Get down, Jameson.
what? Are you just doing it again? Go away. Eating watermelon loudly in my doorway.
Practice for a second. Yeah, you got this. Alright. Alright, ready? Breathe in. Breathe in more. Alright, now breathe in.
You gotta pull the bowl now.
There you go. Now you got it.
Hey, can I do a vlog?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, what's up? It's vlog time with Maya.
Do it again while I'm videoing.
Cassie's not supposed to say drive-through.
Now they're not gonna do it.
Oh, they're singing.
I'm trying to get a video of it.
Granny's chicken out car bun.
Y'all do it for me, please, one time.
No.
Let Maya start it so that I can video it, please.
Cassie's just gonna keep saying drive-through.
Okay, walk me through this again. Walk me through it. Okay. When rockets go off, they go like they don't. You can't just go. You can't. They don't. You don't see the rocket from the globe looking out in outer space. You look at the globe. You don't see the rocket. You just see the planet. And then the rocket goes. When the rocket goes out, it goes through the very thin. It goes just out. It goes out. I don't know how it gets through, but it goes out. I don't know.
Granny's chicken out car bun. Walk up. Granny's chicken out car bun. Walk up. Granny's chicken
I'm so glad you guys figured it out.
Walk up. Granny's chicken out car bun. Walk up. Granny's chicken out car
Y'all
bun.
are zany. Okay, say, oh,
Granny's chicken out car bun.
alright, say goodbye.